In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your workflow in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a team, tackling a solo project, or juggling multiple tasks, automation can save you time and keep you organized. ClickUp is a powerful project management platform that lets you streamline repetitive processes so you can focus on the work that matters most. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up automations that update task statuses, react to triggers, and make your workflow smoother than ever. To begin, log into your ClickUp workspace. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you'll find a link in the description that you can use to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the task you want to automate. You can find it by browsing through your list, folder, or board view. Take a moment to locate the task that's a good candidate for automation, and when you're ready, click on it to open its details. Now that the task details are open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a small lightning bolt icon. This is the shortcut to the automation panel. Go ahead and click it. This will open a new panel dedicated to creating and managing automations within ClickUp. Inside the automation panel, find and click the button labeled Create Automation. This is where the real magic happens. You'll be prompted to define the rules for your automation. Think of these as the conditions and actions that make the automation work. Start by selecting the trigger. The trigger is the event that will activate your automation, for example. It could be something like adding a comment to the task or moving the task to a different list. Once you've chosen your trigger, it's time to decide what action ClickUp should take when the trigger occurs. For this tutorial, we'll focus on changing the status of the task. Click on the option labeled Change Status. This will allow you to specify the new status you want the task to have when the automation is triggered. From the drop-down menu, select the desired status, such as In Progress, Completed, or any custom status that fits your workflow. With the action defined, you now need to finalize the trigger details. For instance, if your trigger is adding a comment, specify that this automation will activate whenever someone adds a comment to the task. Or if the trigger is moving the task, make sure to indicate where the task needs to be moved for the automation to run. Once both the trigger and the action are configured, click the Create button. This finalizes your automation and tells ClickUp to save your settings. Take a moment to wait as ClickUp processes your new automation. You'll see a brief confirmation letting you know the setup was successful. Before moving on, make sure to verify that the automation is listed and active in the automation panel. This ensures everything is in place and ready to go. You can even test it out by triggering the event you defined earlier to see if the automation behaves as expected. And that's it. You've successfully automated a task in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.